Hey friends, today we are doing another video on Adopt Me. And this video will be about my house tour. So make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications if you want to see when I post new videos. And if you ever want to see me and adopt me, I am always on public servers, and just look out for the avatar like this. It's a frog avatar. And make sure to look out for the name KSnake6. Thank you. Now let's move on. So as we move here, we can see the dining room. And right beside it, here's the living room. I had a friend helping me on this. And now here's the piano section, and here's the kitchen. Now if we move to the right, you can see that there's a pool and there's a little garden. Here's a hot spring, some benches, a fountain, and some other decoration. Now if we can go up here and over here, you can see that this room is called the chilling room, where you can just relax. If you go upstairs, you will see on top of it is another sitting area. Here's the movie, where you can watch movies, etc. And here's some snacks. And now if we go to the bathroom, you can see I put a lot of hard work into it. Going upstairs, you will see another sitting area, and you would also see the guest room. Here's the pet/baby room. And here is, most importantly, my room. Here is where I sleep. And this is where there's a diving board leading to, you guessed it, the pool. Now that's all for this video. I know it's really short, but I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications to see when I post new videos. Bye!